Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best kale salad. First, select fresh, vibrant kale, ensuring the leaves are dark green and crisp. Next, wash the kale thoroughly under cold water and dry it completely using a salad spinner or paper towels. This step is crucial for a great dressing. Finally, remove the tough, fibrous stems and chop the leaves into manageable, bite-sized pieces, preparing them for the next step. Now for the secret to tender kale, massaging. Drizzle about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a small pinch of salt over your chopped kale. With clean hands, gently massage the leaves for 2 to 3 minutes. You'll feel the kale soften and turn a darker green. This process breaks down the tough fibers, transforming it from chewy to delightfully tender and less bitter, making your salad much more enjoyable. A fantastic dressing elevates any salad. For this one, combine 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard in a small bowl. Slowly whisk in 3 tablespoons of good quality extra virgin olive oil until the dressing is well emulsified and creamy. Finish by adding salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, ensuring a balanced and flavorful dressing that complements the kale beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Pour your delicious dressing over the massaged kale and toss everything thoroughly, ensuring every leaf is coated. Now, customize your salad with your favorite toppings. Think toasted almonds, dried cranberries, or crumbled feta cheese for extra flavor and texture. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly crafted, healthy kale salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.